Hey everyone, it's Ruben and
Michael
from Bullion Now, and I'm just going to launch straight into it. We're here for another unboxing.
We are. This is like take 15. We couldn't quite get the intro done properly, could we? So what are we doing today, Rubes?
We're doing an unboxing on some silver.
We are. So silver being the red hot topic that it is at the moment.
Well, that's an interesting one.
Yeah, it certainly is. But we're not going down there because these are special silvers, as you would have seen from the heading on this YouTube. We're unboxing the brand new, as yet unseen, 2021.
Oh, and some of them are upside down. That's all right.
1 kilo Kookaburra. Oh, I love these kilo coins.
Getting them out's even more fun.
Let's try a different one. None of them are going to want to come out.
There we go.
So I love the size of the kilo coin because you can get that detail in on the coin itself. So you can see the feathering on the Kookaburra and even down to the veins in the leaves. It really starts to stand out in the design.
Closer. Yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah, and then over the page, Hermage, as Joe likes to call her. On the other side, and a face value of $30. If you ever wanted to spend this down the shops, it actually has legal tender.
Confuse your local cashier and...
Yes.
I mean, what cost is that worth?
Well, yeah, I mean, you're taking up somewhere around a $1,300 coin and changing it over for $30, but it'd almost be worth it just to see the cashier's face.
Right, there we go.
How would you have coped with it as an ex-cashier?
Oh, I don't know. I think I'd look at it and feel the weight and think there's something there, but I don't know. It's not something we're really taught much.
Yeah. So, yeah, it looks like we've got people coming in, so we'll wrap this up. But we've got these available. If you're seeing this now, they're available on the website. They are in very limited numbers. A large proportion of them went overseas. So we've got 180, I think it is, in stock. So some of which we'll keep for over-the-counter sales. The rest we'll release to the website. Grab them while you can. I think that's about it.
I think that's about it. Nice and simple. Go check the link in the description and, yeah, get on over there.
All right, that's it for now. Thanks for that.